So this is the third part of the video and probably the last one from this park. I just want to show you how it looks like this part of the park. So we have a nice view of the city and the park as well. Everything is perfect, but this is only a short walk in the park for today, because now I will change my destination and I will go in another place so I can take new videos. There are some people who painting, not sure if they're real. So this is another nice view from the park. This is what we get here. Yeah. So we got these two guys painting. I'm not sure if they are real ones, but real painters. I don't know. Drawers. But they are here. Now we have on this side and the only thing what I like here is the buildings behind the park, as you guys can see. And that is the place, that is the building what these two guys are painting or drawing. So I will go closer to that building. I can show you from closer, and that will be the part 3 of this video, and end of the video will be this part. Okay, so we will see on the next stage. So we have here these trees, and this is the building what I wanted to show you. So I show you building and the garden. Yeah. Now I will zoom so you can see a little bit closer, from closer. Let's go on the right side. See, really nice. So guys, this is the end of the park, one of the parks project for today. So my next project will be another destination. So see you in my next video with a new destination, new view, new buildings, new things. Yeah. So have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you didn't do it, and share it please, so people can see nice places from Tokyo. Thank you, have a nice day, and God bless you all.